weeks back requesting information about a good cryptocurrency to invest in that has huge upside potential with very little downside that could moon anytime soon? Does that ring a bell to you?
Oh yeah, I might have said something like that.
Okay, great. Well, the reason for the call today, John, is, something came across the internet today. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 8 months in the crypto market. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the features of this crypto.
Yeah, I'll go ahead.
The name of the crypto is Banano. It's designed to be a feeless, instant, rich in potassium cryptocurrency powered by DAG technology to disrupt the meme economy. It was created to be the true vision of Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, right now, Banano is sitting on a market cap of $6 million at a price of 0.0017 cents. And by the way, John, our analyst Trayvon James is predicting a market cap of $100 billion in a few months and a market cap of $10 trillion in the next year.
Jesus, I could pay off my mortgage.
Exactly, you could pay off your mortgage.
But is Banano legit?
John, one thing I could definitely promise you is that this project is very legit. Even Carlos Matos' wife is invested in Banano. Even though, at the very beginning, she was very skeptical of the crypto market because of her husband's investment choices. So, John?
Okay, let's do this. I'll put in all of my kids' college funds.
All of your kids' college funds?
Yeah, why not?
Very good decision. Let me make this trade for you and get back with a confirmation of the order with my secretary. Sounds good, John?
Yeah, sounds good.
Hey, John, let me thank you for the confidence in me and let me welcome you to the Banano community.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Don't let your means be dreams.
Goodbye.
In this episode, I'll be bringing you some juicy coins that I think are gonna pump like a mother. You know what I'm gonna say. I don't know who's watching. You know, could be some kids. I'm not gonna say it. But essentially, these coins are gonna do quite well. I'm suspecting. Not financial advice, but let's get into the video. So first of all, by the way, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because it's going to be ram-packed with a lot of information. So first of all, we have unstoppable domains. So essentially with unstoppable domains, you can make censorship resistant websites as well as collect all of your different crypto addresses in one place. So I was considering, getting my name. You can either get .crypto or .zil, and the .zil names are cheaper. But with a lot of these personalized names, they have gone quite quickly. So let me just show you what I mean. If I type in my name, if I can type, then you'll see that they go for quite a lot. So you can buy them at first for like $40, and essentially the name of the game here is to flip these. So if you guys are interested, because when crypto catches on to the mainstream, because this is still quite niche at the moment, when it catches on to the mainstream, these could potentially go for like hundreds of thousands, potentially millions. Personalization in any industry is worth a lot. So even if you don't want to flip these, it might be interesting just to get your own name as a crypto address, as opposed to having the long string address, which is a bit difficult to give to other people. This is a lot easier, but it's just an option. I haven't done it yet. I'm considering it, but yeah, don't just buy my name because that would piss me off. This is my name. Don't do that. And second of all, we have the Plutus debit card. So this, you're gonna need this, guys. I know I mentioned the crypto.com debit card. That one's cute and all, but it's a bit flawed because you have to stake coins in order to get the different tiers. And what's the point in staking when you can invest that money? Stupidly, I've staked around like 28% of my portfolio. And it's a bit annoying because now that I see these moves, I want to make the moves, and I have to wait like a month, 2 months to get my coins back. But I'm making interest on it, so it's okay in a sense. But with this Plutus debit card, this Plutus, if you guys don't know, is the Greek god for wealth. So I think the marketing there, first of all, is amazing, and this app is just amazing. So it lines up with your Ledger wallet. If you guys got one, I'm not sure if you do. It's quite easy to assemble it and co-integrate them. But why am I recommending this to you guys? So essentially you can get 3% back on all of your spending on your crypto debit card. With the crypto.com card, it starts off at 1%, then I believe 2%, but you have to stake in order to earn the different tiers, and it goes up to 5% maximum. This one is just easy to use. It co-integrates with your crypto, it co-integrates with your Ledger wallet, and you can get 3% back, as well as look at the branding partners that we have. If I can bring it up. Yeah, so these are the partners that we have: Nike, Vodafone, Lenovo, Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, Logitech, and Ogado, sorry. I don't know the last two, but you know, the first four or first five even, I'm sure you guys are familiar with. And essentially, like, you know, when things pop off and like you have thousands in your account and like you want to buy like a laptop or something, for example, you know, like getting 3% back on a laptop, what's that? Like, let's say you buy a MacBook for like 1,500 times 0.03, you get £45 back. So it's worth considering. And what's good about this card as well is that they have a DEX. So what a DEX is a decentralized exchange, and that's all within the app. So essentially, when you align your Ledger wallet with the app, you can sell your coins directly into pounds, all within the app, and it's very, very simple and straightforward. And then you can just spend on the app. It comes with, you know, a bank account number, a sort code number, you can transfer and whatnot. It's all of that jazz. It's very, very easy to use, and it's free. That's the main point. The only thing you need to be not worried about, but have in mind, is that the 3% is dependent on the market cap of the Plutus debit card, or the Pluton company as a whole, sorry. So looking at their report or their overview on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, sorry, you can see that the market cap is quite small. Yesterday, I think it was around 12 million or 13 million. So it's just growing and growing. And this was around like $12 or something. I wanted to wait for a dip or something, but it never happened. And the prices shot up. But essentially, this is a very much so a low cap gem. 16 million market cap. Are you crazy? 16 million market cap. Like, come on, man. Also, the circulating supply is a lot less than Bitcoin. So I could, down the line, potentially see this, you know, replicating Bitcoin's price. That depends on how well it's adopted. But look at the rank. It's 282 out of, you know, like 5,800 coins, and more coins are coming in each and every day. But essentially, like, if you get it now, it would be a good time. I'm not saying buy straight away, because this price may, you know, go down a bit. It may even go up, but I'm keeping this on my radar. But you can see it's still 41% down from its overall market high. And, you know, considering we are in the alt season, we are in a bull run, it's definitely a card that you should have on your radar. So yeah, the places that you can buy it are, let me see. So you can buy it on their app first of all. You can buy on Uniswap, but in order to buy on Uniswap, you basically need to download you need to download a MetaMask wallet, and you can get that from an app store, so the Google Web App Store, or you could just go on the app and buy it there. That would probably be the most easy for you guys. So that's the Plutus debit card. And then next up, these are the two coins that I'm thinking of buying as well. So we have Digibyte, and let me just bring it up on TradingView. So essentially, I've been learning about Fibonacci retracements, and it's actually a really, really powerful tool. The sequences, I actually learned this in maths ages ago, and not that school has any use in real life, but this sort of does. And essentially, these different marks here reflect the different selling or psychological selling points that, you know, there may be resistance or support. As you can see, you know, quite well, it's very, very powerful. So there's the 0.23, there's the 0.38, there's the 0.5, 0.6, etc. You get the gist of it. And with each line of support / resistance, you can see that there has been some, you know, confluence there, and, you know, some trading and some consolidation. So essentially, this is a potential coin to be listed on Coinbase, and with the Coinbase listings, we always see massive pumps. So Band Protocol, I'll put something on the screen now. Essentially, Coinbase Pro, they put on their Twitter that they're going to be listing Band Protocol on the 10th of August, which is today, and we saw a massive pump just within the first hour of them saying that it pumped like 50 or 60% or something. I'm going to put something on the screen, and it's continued to pump actually since the announcement. So I recommend you guys follow Coinbase Pro just so you can get an announcement, or you can stay up to date with announcements, and those can be easy flips for you guys. You can just buy leading up to when they're going to list it and then sell it. That's what I've done, and I recommend you guys do the same, because yeah, that's just a good thing to do. So coupled with the fact that it's a potential Coinbase listing, we have here the Bitcoin pair for Digibyte, and we can see that we have an ascending triangle here. I've tried to put a conservative figure for the breakout, and essentially what you just do is, you know, put a support line for, you know, the trading. You put a support line for like the upward trend, and then you put a resistance line for its consolidation essentially, and then you draw a line between the two, and then you put it at the point of the breakout or thereabouts, and look at what we have. So essentially it lines up with the 0.38 on the Fibonacci retracement. So if this coin was to have a breakout, which I do believe is imminent and will happen, if/when this coin has a breakout, you can see that most likely it would trade up to the 0.382 mark on the Fibonacci retracement, which if I have a look at my target thing, I don't know what it's called, I don't know, but if I have a look at this, it says that that would be a 62% pump. So I'm not saying put, you know, all of your money, put all of your eggs in one basket. No, I'm not saying that. Never do that. Never put, you know, more than 5% of your portfolio. Even though I have more than 5% of my portfolio in altcoins, just don't do that, because it's not advisable. Yeah, that would be the point of the breakout. So that's just, you know, a little gem for you guys. So make sure you smash the like button, because this shit shouldn't be free, to be honest. You guys have to pay for this, but I'm kind of. The thing is, I've been trying to tell people, buy Bitcoin, I have friends who aren't buying. Instead, they want to buy Audemars watches. But what can you do, guys? You can take a horse to water, you can't force it to drink, right? But you guys are in a good position. Just keep doing what you're doing, and yeah, the gains will come. We'll do an overview of my portfolio afterwards, and also I think I'm going to start hiding the numbers, because I'm worried if I go to pick up something and I get kidnapped by my dealer. And I don't want that to happen. I don't want to get kidnapped. I know how to fight, but I mean, shit. I'd rather not be in that situation, if you know what I mean. So yeah, now we have Ethereum, and I've been telling you guys, buy Ethereum, buy Ethereum, buy Ethereum. Yeah, you can listen, you don't listen, it's up to you. I have like 4.5 Ethereum, and I got in late. I got in around here-ish, I think. I don't know the exact date, but essentially what I've been saying is that, you know, we found resistance at the $400 mark, which lines up with the 0.236 range on the Fibonacci retracement. And if you guys don't know what the Fibonacci retracement is, I suggest you do some research into it. It's very, very powerful. It's easy to understand as well. It's just like percentages and, you know, psychological marks that we would most likely encounter resistance. So essentially, I keep on saying essentially, when we break this resistance, so you guys could, you know, for example, if you were to trade, like this is what I'm going to do, you don't have to copy me, but if you were to trade, you could put up an alert for, let's say, I don't know, $413, or to be conservative, $430, and you can go on Bybit. You can use my link in the description, or Coinbase Pro, or, you know, Binance, or whatever link it is in the description. You both get a bonus, and once you've set that alert and it goes off, you could either put a limit order, or you could, you know, once your alert is gone off, you can manually place a leverage position, and then your target would be roughly just under the 0.382 mark. So that would give you a percentage move of roughly 47%. Let me see, 40. That's the point. Yeah, so around 30%, depending on when you placed it wrong. So that is something I'm eyeing up as well, and that is imminent, guys. You know, these Fibonacci retracements are actually very, very powerful. You can see how well these lines have been respected. You know, here it's been support / resistance, as we can see here. Here it's been support. Here it's been, well, here it's been resistance. Sorry, here it's been support as well. Here it's been support, and here it just slides through a bit like butter. But you know, each and every line is pretty much respected. And if you trade these ranges along with using pivot points as, you know, markers to sort of let you know when the market has gone up, then you could potentially do quite well if you have leveraged positions. But I don't recommend you to make leverage positions if you don't know what you're doing and you're not comfortable, because when I first started trading, I didn't know what I was doing. I lost like £50 trading, and like that's just multiplied now on Bybit. I don't even want to look at that, because that's probably like double what it is. But yeah, you need to, like, when you make a trade, you need to be deadly confident that, you know, it's going to work out, because otherwise you're just giving money away to other people. When we make trades, each and every time we win, there's someone else losing, and each and every time we lose, there's someone else winning. So you need to remember that you want to be a winner, not a loser. That's with every aspect of life. So just a little rant for you guys. That was mainly it, really. Some other coins that I'm looking at are, so these are a couple coins that I'm eyeing up. Band Protocol, it missed the sort of major pump, so you can get in on it, but it's like you've missed the major gains. You know, you want to be looking for the low cap gems. All of these, basically, DOS Network is still quite a low cap gem. So let me show you DOS Network. They're ranked quite low actually, and the market cap is still quite small, I believe. Yeah, 33 million. You can see that it's not even at $1 yet. It just keeps on, continues to pump and pump. Bloody hell. In the last days, it's gone up 28x, guys. But yeah, you can trade this on 1 inch. You can trade this on Uniswap. I don't know, maybe it's a bit too techy for you guys, because essentially you need to have a MetaMask wallet. So I probably need to make a video on that. I don't want you guys to like make a mistake. So yeah, probably don't worry about these super low cap coins, but the ones that you could buy, things like Cardio Chain. So Cardio Chain is, you can get that on KuCoin, and that's also another low cap gem as well. I'm not going to go into what Cardio Chain does, but you guys can look into it, you know, have a look at the white paper or go to their website, for example. But the market cap, 30 million. Some major pumpage, 4x in the last 30 days, and there's still room for a lot of growth. So yeah, as you can see, KuCoin, essentially when you guys want to be buying coins, go on coingecko.com and then look at the exchanges, and whichever one is green, you know it's a trustable exchange. If you're not comfortable with like the exchange, you don't know how to use it, then like just shoot me a message on Instagram, which you guys should follow me on, by the way, or Twitter, and that will yeah, then I'll reach out to you guys and I'll respond. Another coin I wanted to mention is TrustSwap. So I've mentioned this before. I mentioned it at the start of the month. I haven't bought into it yet because there's too many coins. Because at the moment I have like I said, I have like 30% locked up, maybe 50% locked up in staking, and when I can have that released, I will sort of be diversified. But with TrustSwap, you need to be very careful, because when you buy, you lose 10% basically. It goes into like the trading pool, and when you sell, 10% of whatever you're selling, whatever the value is also burned as well. So that it's a deflationary model, and it's meant to increase scarcity, digital scarcity. But the tokenomics are quite good for it. You can check out their white paper, their roadmap. This would be a long-term hold, because yeah, like I said, TrustSwap, they're looking at the recurring payments in the crypto industry. So it could be a very, very very explosive and good return on your investment, especially if this picks up. They have quite knowledgeable advisors, people like Alvin on tech, and yeah, that's a good coin to watch out for. But yeah. Lastly, just looking at my portfolio, we'll look at the yeah, so we can see my current portfolio at the moment. This is how it's balanced. Crypto.com, this is locked up in staking. I've made around £11 I think, just from staking, which is okay, but I would have made more if I could buy and sell this and then reinvest it. Because essentially, guys, this is how we're going to make our money with altcoins. I know I keep on repeating myself, but we want to move our altcoins into ones that we think are going to explode, take our profits, and then just repeat the process. But you can see my largest holding is Ethereum, and I do have, I believe, a quarter of my Ethereum on Bybit, just waiting for that breakout that I was telling you guys about, so I can put in a long. And I'm gonna do something a bit irresponsible. I think I'm gonna do like a 20% or 20x long, just because I like taking risks, and I feel like I know what I'm doing at this point, especially with the fact that this is like so powerful. This is the daily chart. The more you zoom out on a chart, the powerful and more reliable the data is. So you can see here that once it's gone from here to here, it doesn't like dip back down. For example, it's broken its resistance sort of line, and then its target is wherever its target is. However long it takes is however long it takes. But yeah, that's that. I know that's not the best explanation, but I think you get what I'm saying. P&L is looking nice, guys. It's looking very nice. I'm close to 50% ROI now, and this is only just going to continue, to be honest. I'm looking to make at least 30x from everything, and just going to hustle. I'm not sure if I said already, but looking to start teaching Taekwondo when things are sort of reopened, because I can't find a venue at the moment. It's a bit annoying, but that's going to be an additional revenue stream. If I do make a course, then that will be another revenue stream, and if I somehow do get monetized by YouTube, which is going to take forever, that would be another revenue stream. But essentially, the name of the game, guys, is to stack sats, and yeah, it's not a get rich quick thing, it's a get rich over time thing. It's going to be a year, 2 years before we see the peak of the Bitcoin bull run, of the crypto bull run in general. So you do have time. Find your hustle wherever it is, whether it's cleaning windows, doing online advertisements for people, online surveys, whatever it is. Just find a little side hustle that you can put extra money in, even if it's £5 a week. Hustle, guys, hustle, because this shit's gonna change your life 100%. And that's been the video. I know I've ranted a lot, but yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and share with a friend. So see you guys soon. Bye.